So demonstrating that twine technique, I'll just do a little dab of hot glue. And this is just to fill in at the top where you can see it's almost like a little bit of a lip because we added these extra pieces. So I'm using that twine to really fill in that gap. It will build up and make it so it's a little more even, a little more smooth when we go to do the ribbon, so it doesn't feel completely different. So when I'm kind of got it a little more even, I can just trim, add a little hot glue. Use my gun to push that down so I don't burn my finger. And then we can take just a little piece of ribbon. Honestly, this ribbon is a little thick considering I did the handle, but let's see. Any more thin ribbon around? Well, I don't, so we're just going to use this. So with this nice ribbon, I'm just going to kind of just figure out, we're going to go around once, do it one around twice. If the ribbon's thick, you don't necessarily need to go around extra. Give a little trim. So I am just going to go nice and tight with this. And when I get to my end, I have nice ribbon scissors that I don't use for anything else. If your scissors don't cut cleanly, then I'm going to show you a quick tip. You can put a bead of hot glue on the end and then fold your ribbon over, and it'll give you a nice clean end. That will be the front facing end of your ribbon with no frays. And then you can just do a bead of hot glue down that. Push it right onto the ribbon and it will hold. And so now you can imagine if this was a longer bouquet, you'd have a lot more of the stems showing, or in this case I should have done probably a shorter ribbon, but you get the idea.